Hello my creative friends. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something amazing and unique and beautiful ideas with our viewers and subscribers. Most beautiful and amazing ideas. Today I want to share something truly special. Not just a Christmas story, but a lesson, a reminder of what makes this lesson magical, warm, and unforgettable. So it's comfortably relax and let your heart open into true spirit of Xmas. Xmas teach us three beautiful lessons. Sharing is not about how much we give, but how much love we place behind each gift. A handmade craft, a small hug, or even a smile can bring someone more joy than an expensive present. The lesson of gratitude. Christmas reminds us to be thankful people. The greatest gifts are not wrapped in shiny papers. They are the people around us, the peace in our home, and the little blessing we often forget. Every Xmas light reminds us that even in dark times, there is always a spark of hope waiting to shine. Xmas is a fresh start, a moment of breathe again, a believe again, to dream again. This is the story of a little girl named Lily. Lily lived in a small town where Christmas was simple, not full of luxury but full of love. But this year things were different. Her father had lost his job, money was tight, and even basic decoration were impossible. Now let's talk about one cold evening. Lily sat quietly in a corner, holding her old little diary. Her Christmas wish list was short. A small Xmas tree and something to make Mama smile. Her mother noticed the sadness in her eyes and asked gently, "What is it, Lily?" Lily whispered, "Mama, will we even have Christmas this year?" Her mother gave a weak smile. Yes, sweetheart, but it may be a very simple one. Little nodded, pretending to be brave, but her little heart felt heavy. She stepped outside for fresh air. The winter wind touched her cheeks, and she looked at the empty yard. No lights, no tree, nothing. But then she noticed something. Old twigs, pine cone, and dry leaves lying on the ground. She slowly picked them up and thought, maybe Xmas doesn't need perfect things. Maybe I can make something. She rushed inside and began crafting twig star, pine cone, ornaments, paper snowflakes, tiny wreaths. They had no ribbons, no fancy materials, but they had something more powerful. Love and hope. Slowly their smile home began to look warm and magical. Xmas morning arrived. Little woke up early and ran to the living room and suddenly stopped. Her father was standing beside a tiny Xmas tree. Not a store-bought one, but a handmade tree built from wooden sticks and jute rope. A small glowing star lit the top. Her father smiled softly and said, "I sold one of the wooden toy I carved